Watch me use Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner to take my oven from this to this in no time at all. This is the cleaner. You simply spray it in your cold oven and let it sit for like an hour and a half, and then you get scrubbing. And when I mean scrubbing, I really just mean wiping off. Now, I did use a razor because this oven was filthy. I don't think it had been cleaned in years. We just bought this house and it had some really gross things to clean up, but everything came off so cleanly and beautifully. Before using this cleaner, I've always used like vinegar and baking soda because I thought these cleaners would be super smelly, but it actually wasn't that smelly at all. And my only regret is not using it more. I wish I had sprayed it on all of the pull trays as well, as it really wipes everything off beautifully and does an amazing job. From here on out, I am using Easy Off Fume-Free Oven Cleaner for all of my oven cleaning needs.